Hi, this is Graham with Au Naturel in Armstrong, BC, and we're here to show you a nice easy recipe to make almond milk. It's one of our family favorites. My son loves it for his bottles. We use it in cereals and every other application you can think in the house. It's a nice dairy alternative, and we like it because of its nutritional benefits. It's rich in protein, it's got great oils, and it just tastes great. Making almond milk is really easy. 4 basic ingredients. We got water, we've got Rancho Vignola almonds, we've got palm sugar, and vanilla. For the amounts, we have 6 cups of water, 2 cups of almonds. I use just a couple tablespoons of sugar. I find it's not too sweet and it gives it just enough flavor to make it a really enjoyable beverage. You can also use honey, maple syrup, or another sweetener if you have something different that you'd rather use. Vanilla extract, just 1 teaspoon. Basically, you have your water in the blender, and then we're just going to add each of the ingredients, turn it on, and we're going to blast it for a minute. Vitamix is quite a powerful blender and does this easily. If you've got a lesser quality blender, you can probably still do it. Note that you may need to add water or let it go a bit longer than a minute. Now we have to strain the liquid from the pulp. And to do this, I use, it's just a basic vegetable steamer. You can use cheesecloth, but I find you can reuse these nylon mesh bags basically, and then this is a great way to strain out the pulp. And you just pour it through the strainer, just careful not to lose your cloth into the container. I just put the lid on just to keep it safe. And if you let it strain for probably about half an hour, that'll make sure most of the liquid is out. This milk will last in the fridge if you keep it refrigerated, probably up to about a week. So if you find you're not using it all, then you can always half the recipe. Is really easy. So instead of the 6 cups of water and the 2 cups of almonds, then you can go back to 3 cups of water, 1 cup of almonds, and adjust the sugar and the vanilla accordingly. This is my son Narayan. Almond milk is one of his favorite drinks, so we're going to test it out on him and see if he likes it. Oh, he's helping already. Now you can see the pulp left over. If there's a little bit of moisture, you can just gently give it a squeeze, get all the extra stuff out. So as you can see, there's a fair bit of pulp left over in this. What you can do, it's great for baking. So you can make, there's biscotti recipes you can do with it. You can make banana bread as well. It makes really nice, moist banana bread. Don't leave that. What's strained through, you can see the nice white creamy liquid. And I'm gonna test it out on my son and see if he likes it. Wanna try? Is it good? I think we have approval. And that's almond milk.